Are you tired of searching for a music bot that supports YouTube songs on Discord? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a versatile music bot called Jockey Music that not only supports YouTube, but also Spotify, SoundCloud, and more. Let's get started with the installation process. Visit the official Jockey Music website and locate the Invite button. Click on the Invite button, and you'll be prompted to select the server where you want to add the bot. Choose your server and authorize Jockey Music. Congratulations! The bot is now successfully added to your server. It's that simple. Open the Discord server where you authorize Jockey Music. Type !play, followed by the link of the YouTube video you want to play. Just like this, Jockey Music will automatically play the YouTube song in your voice channel. How cool is that? And there you have it. Enjoy listening to your favorite tunes directly on Discord with Jockey Music. But wait, how do you disconnect the bot when you're done listening? It's easy. Just use the leave command, and Jockey Music will gracefully exit the voice channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to create more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and happy listening with Jockey Music on Discord.